Today we're going to be talking about pushing negative content down.
So the first thing I would be probably looking to do is do a press release.
So you can actually directly manipulate the AI overview to actually say something positive about you.
That's able to promote images, promote videos, even manipulate the Google autocomplete, the web pages to get a positive brand search.
Today we're going to be talking about pushing negative content down in Dubai, whether it's for a business, whether it's for a celebrity, politician, whatever you are, we will be able to help you. I'm joined with James. So what are some ways that you can push down negative content, whether it's a video, whether it is a image, whether it is an article about you? What are some tips?
Yeah, so obviously now we've set up at fatrank.com, we've set up the Dubai office, and we're helping a lot of business owners and entrepreneurs and actual corporate brands in push down negative content. So the first thing I would be probably looking to do is do a press release and making certain that I've got a positive sentiment press release for the brand or for the entrepreneur, and then force indexing that press release as well to try and get it both in Google News, like it distributes out to like Yahoo Finance and a lot of big other publications, and then obviously try to outrank and push down further. So that's step number one that I'd be looking to do. What would you do with regards to like if someone's got a mugshot and they want that kind of push down?
Yeah, so we've got like maybe a 30-point checklist of things that we would do, but some of the things is making certain that person or individual has a website set up, making certain that on that website they've got gallery set up and they've got like tons of images, and making sure that the images are being crawled and indexed by Google, making certain that we're doing image sharing gigs. This what I'm saying right now might be like alien to some people because it is very, very nerdy. But there's a lot of different ways that you can obviously do that. There's like making certain that you've got all of your social profiles there. It is a lot of work to actually get that set up. That's why we always recommend just hire a team. If you don't want to be sat in front of a computer for the next, I don't know, 60, 70 days, just hire a team, because the team's going to take care of all the brunt work for you. They already know what works, what doesn't work, so there's just no second guessing. But those are a few things that we obviously do over at FatRank. What about for some videos? Let's say some videos have went viral, or maybe some tweets.
Yeah, so I mean, in general, you touched upon a few things there of like using a professional service for like an online reputation management. The importance of this is I spoke about pushing web pages down, and you spoke about pushing images down, and now we're on with pushing videos down. With regards to, let's say, the press release or any guest posts or power posts that you do, you can embed images on that press release. You can embed videos on that press release, and it's a web page that can rank. If you have a professional online reputation management agency that takes care of everything holistically, what they're able to do is they can use certain AI workflows that can then get higher video rankings, get higher image rankings, and get higher web page rankings. So specifically for video, I'd be uploading certain videos onto YouTube, but also getting some, if they can, like shorts on TikTok or Instagram or LinkedIn and on Twitter, force indexing those videos, and then obviously trying to get them outranking any negative video that might be there. And I want to do that both in Google web search, Google video search, but then also I want to be doing it in YouTube as well. So again, it's just pushing the others down by promoting positive sentiment videos. And you can do it with a lot of different techniques of like sharing it throughout all your social media kind of platforms of what you have, trying to get some likes, trying to get some comments, heart in the comments, replying to the comments. There's lots of different ways how you can do it, lots of embeds, again, on the press releases and stuff. There's lots of different ways how you can try to get better rankings for video specifically as well. But is there any others with regards to, if you're pushing things down, like what's your thoughts on like power posts for doing online reputation management?
Yeah, so Power Posts is really good because in some cases, sometimes the AI overview might be writing some negative things about you, but with a power post, you can actually directly manipulate the AI overview to actually say something positive about you. So that's probably another thing that's really important, like manipulating what AI says. So there's probably like LLM reputation management, So even if you were to search your name, if there's a lot of negative things being said about you, you're probably going to need a lot of power posts as well.
Yeah, for sure. And one other thing as well, with regards to doing everything holistically, all of these press releases and power posts and all these different articles of what you're doing, they can all also be linking to all your social media platforms, which then starts boosting the rankings for your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, which all starts ranking higher for your brand. So realistically, when you're doing everything together, cumbersome, with a professional online reputation management company like FatRank, who are now based out in Dubai, then they're able to deal with whether it's a Dubai entrepreneur, Dubai business owner, whether you're a corporate brand and you're based in Dubai and you're looking to move down any harmful or negative content. They're able to do this all in one shot within one service that's able to promote images, promote videos, even manipulate the Google autocomplete and the web pages to get a positive brand SERP.
Yeah, so that has been our video on push down negative content in Dubai. To be fair, we do it everywhere, but this video is specifically for Dubai. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like. And if this is something that you're struggling with, head over to fatrank.com, fill in the contact form, and our team will be in touch. Thanks for watching.